Hey there, small business owners. Ever feel overwhelmed by taxes? I'm here to break it down for you with the ultimate tax plan to keep you ahead all year. Let's dive in by breaking the year into quarters, January to March. Start by organizing receipts from the previous year. It's also time to file last year's tax return if you haven't already. Don't forget to pay your first estimated tax payment by April 15th. April to June. Keep tracking your expenses and income. It's crucial to stay on top of this. Review your business expenses for tax-deductible items. And pay your second estimated tax payment by June 15th. July to September. Mid-year review time. Check your income and expenses against your projections. Adjust your estimated tax payments if necessary. Remember, your third estimated tax payment is due on September 15th, October to December. Time to finalize your year-end tax strategies. Consider making last-minute purchases or investments for deductions. Pay your fourth estimated tax payment by January 15th of the following year. Don't forget to set reminders for these key deadlines. Now let's talk about creating a tracker or calendar tool to monitor your progress. Use a digital calendar or a simple spreadsheet to keep everything organized. Set alerts for each task and deadline. By following this comprehensive tax plan, you'll be ahead of the curve and stress-free come tax season. Share this with your peers and let's make tax planning a breeze for everyone. Stay ahead, stay organized, and keep your business thriving. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips. Catch you in the next one.